XL Brands is committed to providing innovative, sustainable, and reliable products. That's why we created a revolutionary zero VOC product that will save your company time and effort over the cost of traditional technology. Stix Essential RES is a water-based aerosol adhesive that is recommended for resilient installations of vinyl tiles, sheet, and plank, and VCT on approved substrates with up to 93% relative humidity and up to 11 pH. Or for modular carpet tile installations on approved substrates with up to 90% relative humidity and up to 10 pH, use Stix Essential MOD. In order to ensure optimal adhesion, make sure to sweep, vacuum, or damp mop away any loose debris or dust, and run the HVAC for at least 72 hours prior to and during the installation at a temperature of between 65 and 95 degrees. And remember, relative humidity and pH testing should always be performed and documented. Applying Stix Essential is easy. Shake well before each use. Remove the cap, stand in an upright position, and spray the adhesive close to the ground as you cut in the edges. Then, hold it at a height of 20 to 30 inches and spray the rest of the floor so that the adhesive falls evenly, achieving an even coverage pattern. For carpet tiles, VCT, LVT underlayment, or for installations on non-porous substrate, a lighter application may be necessary. The proper spray pattern should look like this for optimal performance. And it's important to wait until the adhesive is tacky to the touch and the adhesive does not transfer to fingertips before installing flooring. For resilient installations of vinyl sheet, plank, and tiles over approved substrates, a slightly thicker application may be required. The proper spray pattern should look like this for optimal performance. To determine the coverage rate of the adhesive, mark the square footage appropriate for the floor covering and substrate with a chalk line. Apply the entire can of adhesive evenly within that area, creating the desired coverage pattern. For example, if your desired coverage is 200 square feet per can, mark off a 20-foot by 10-foot section and apply one full can evenly within that area. Replicate coverage for the remainder of the job. Install flooring per manufacturer's guidelines and roll immediately with a 75 to 100-pound 3-section roller. Traffic and seaming is allowed immediately after rolling. And because Stix Essential contains no solvents or hazardous chemicals and is non-flammable, it can be safely used in occupied buildings and is also ideal for small repairs and touch-ups. When finished, remember to always store Stix Essential properly, out of direct sunlight, away from heat sources, open flames, and extreme cold. With one 22-ounce can, you may expect from 140 to 200 square feet of coverage depending on the substrate and the flooring being installed, about the same coverage as 1 gallon of traditional trowelable adhesive. If you have questions, please contact XL Brands Technical Department at 800-367-4583, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time.